How to sort a list of strings? What is the best way of creating an alphabetically sorted list in Python?
Basic answer. This modifies your original list, i.e. sorts in place. To get a sorted copy of the list, without changing the original, use the sorted function. However, the examples above are a bit naive, because they don't take locale into account, and perform a case-sensitive sorting. You can take advantage of the optional parameter key to specify custom sorting order. The alternative, using CMP, is a deprecated solution, as it has to be evaluated multiple times. Key is only computed once per element. So, to sort according to the current locale, taking language-specific rules into account, CMP_to_key is a helper function from functools. And finally, if you need, you can specify a custom locale for sorting. Last note, you will see examples of case-insensitive sorting which use the lower method. Those are incorrect, because they work only for the ASCII subset of characters. Those two are wrong for any non-English data.
It is also worth noting the sorted function. This returns a new, sorted version of a list without changing the original list.
It really is that simple. Smile.
The proper way to sort strings is the previous example of mylist.sortKey equals lambda x column x.lower will work fine for ASCII-only contexts.
Uranus do Seymoura, prasa transfer subscribing.